Hi, I'm Oraythelazygardener, the lazy gardener, and today I'm going to show you how to use mulch to create a no-till garden. Let's get started. So you might be asking yourself, why mulch? Well, for one, you don't need to till your grass or desod, which is backbreaking labor. You can add the mulch, which will kill the grass. It will decompose, creating nutrients for your plant that's growing. And three, it retains moisture a lot better than just regular dirt does. So typically, in case of a drought, if you have this, if you have mulch down, you can go down an inch or two and you still have very moist, rotting mulch down there where you won't have to water. So it will require no watering, no real nutrient additives, and as you can see, there's not a lot of weeds in this no-till bed. So the trifecta of gardening: moisture, nutrients, and weed pressure. Using just a rake, you can collect dead grass, spoiled hay, old leaves, old grass clippings. So, step one, cardboard, preferably no tape or glue, place on your grass. Bring in the mulch. Beep, beep, beep. Drop mulch on cardboard. I prefer to use 10 to 12 inches of mulch to begin with. As it decomposes, it will shrink down to the earth. Next step, make a nest, drop soil in. Final step, take, in this case, a tomato, place in soil and furrow, and water. And that's it. Hi, I'm Oraythelazygardener, the lazy gardener.